Hi Rakesh, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am also doing great. Thank you for asking. So, can you hear me?
Yes, there was a lag initially, but now it is all good.
Okay,
I
thank you.
see you have been, yes, I see you have been on Clapingo for quite some time now. This is your
Yes,
94th session.
yes.
Okay, and how has it been for you? Do you think you have upgraded since you have been on Clapingo?
Uh, as initially stage as I joined, so it was for just getting fluency. But meanwhile, because of my job, I was not like getting enough time to practice. So just once in a week, I practice. My main motto is to maintain consistency because once I lose means once I stop practicing, so I will lose my fluency. That is why I have been just maintaining consistency to
Okay.
improve myself and to upgrade myself. Yes.
Okay, so you basically are not targeting complete grammar knowledge, correct?
Yes, not complete grammar knowledge, but whatever I know, I am able to express myself. So just maintaining wherever I am, just at that point, maintaining myself or maintaining that fluency is very important because sometimes I think I'm losing my fluency. So that
Oh,
is why I just practice. I just practice with the tutors so that I feel confident while I speak. Yes.
okay. I'll just take a seat back. We will
Yeah.
have good conversation. So, what do you generally do? Are you working at the moment? Like, have you taken a break of your work from your work?
Yes, no, yesterday it was my night shift and today it is also my night shift.
Oh,
So
what
I am at my home right now. So that
what exactly do you do?
yes, I work in chemical company because I completed engineering. So I am working there as an executive and because of like I my designation there is I work there as a shift in charge. So I have to go in shift. So sometimes I feel disturbance, and as I get free time, so according to that, I just use this platform to improve my spoken English.
Oh, so do you usually take sessions in the morning or it depends?
It depends on free time. As I
Oh, oh,
yes, as I get spare time, so I just practice. I just book the session, and accordingly, I just practice.
okay. And do you always talk to different tutors or do you stick to one?
No, I try to use different tutors because
Mm.
I have uh, connected with many tutors. So I try to connect with new tutors so that I can get new experience. And
Okay,
yes, it is
that's
quite
quite
well to connect with the new tutors and sharing my experience and taking their opinion as well.
correct. Correct.
Mhm.
So far, have you uploaded any videos on YouTube? I generally see a lot of learners uploading videos on YouTube. Do you
Yes,
have the same provision?
yes, I also upload few vid. I have also uploaded few videos of Clapingo on YouTube.
Oh,
But initially, I thought to just improve myself, upgrade myself. But later on, I thought to upload few videos so that people can also uh, like remove their fear or can they can remove their hesitation so that they can also practice on different platform to improve their
mm,
spoken English. So that was my main motto. But as initially I told you about like my timing, it is not set. So I have to get free time and I have to get spare time to practice and upload uh, my videos.
okay. And do you live alone or do you live with your family?
Yes, I live alone right now because of my job. But as
Oh,
yeah, before this organization, I was living with my family. But right now, I am living in another city. So yes. But
Okay, okay.
because sorry,
No, no, please continue. I wasn't
uh,
saying anything.
because of my job, sometimes I feel disturbance and like I'm not right now. I'm thinking to leave my job and work as a full-time YouTuber or anything other I can do. Yes, that is what I have thought of.
Okay, okay.
Mhm.
I hope you get to fulfill all your dreams. I don't upload videos on YouTube. Like, I don't have a YouTube channel because I don't get time at all. Just like
Mhm.
you. Even to
Yeah,
upload non edited videos, I don't have time.
yeah. Most of us have the same problem. So can I know about about your profession apart from Clapingo? What do you do?
I am actually a fashion graduate
Hmm.
and I used to work in Bangalore as the head of the planning department in a
Hmm.
manufacturing and an export industry. I
Hmm.
came back here during the COVID. So since then, I have been using Clapingo as my fixed income or first income. Other than that, I study. I
Oh,
am studying for management entrance exams, and
management.
I will be taking yes, CAT, ZAT, GMAT, the all
Hmm.
those
It
exams
is
that
for
exist.
MBA purpose because I'm not. I have heard about that though, but I'm not so sure about that.
Oh yes, I am definitely targeting an MBA course from a good institute. I
Hmm.
will be taking exams commencing from November till January. So I'll be having back to back multiple examinations from November to January.
Hmm.
But most of my
Okay.
time goes into studying.
Okay. Yes. Yes. I
And
can understand that.
apart from that, I think I lose time in exercising because it takes a lot of time to cook and exercise. Like we have to
Hmm.
do all of it. We have to stay fit,
Hmm.
work,
Yes, that is very
study,
busy.
do everything. Becomes hectic.
Hmm.
Is it the same for you?
So, do you live in Bangalore or in any other city? As you told me about your profession and also you also do exercise and other stuff. So that is
I
how the question was arising.
I
Hmm.
have
Hmm.
come back to my parents' place and I've been living with them for the last 3 years.
Hmm.
Up
Hmm.
until 2020, mid 2020, I was in Bangalore. I lived there for 5 years.
Hmm.
I completed my graduation there and then I went on to receive a job offer there itself. So I
Hmm. Hmm.
continued to work there. But
Only
during
in Bangalore.
COVID, because of my health issues, yes, yes.
Hmm. Hmm.
I
Hmm.
think it's a great city to live in.
Yes, yes, I have heard a lot. And for IT field, it has a great opportunity there.
Yes,
Yes.
that's true. It's called the Silicon Valley of India, right? Bengaluru is called the
Yes.
Silicon Valley of India.
City and Silicon. Yes, yes.
Do you know about the
Electronic city.
Silicon Valley?
No, I don't know much about that, but I have just heard that. Yes. And it is also known as Electronic City of India, if I'm not wrong.
Electronic City of India,
Mhm.
Bengaluru.
Yes, yes.
Bengaluru
Because most
also
of the
has a
IT
place
sectors
called
are.
Electronic.
Hmm. Sorry,
Okay,
please repeat that.
I said that Bengaluru has a place called Electronic City. Like there's an
Hmm.
area that's named Electronic City.
Okay. Okay.
This is a very new information for me. I did not know this.
No,
That it's also called
I was
Electronic of
also
India.
not aware, but as you corrected me, so thanks for that. Because I'm
Oh
also
no,
not
I'm
sure.
not.
I am also not sure from with my statement. That is why I am just thinking whether it is true or not. I am just I give the statement whatever I have heard or I got information about that.
Okay,
Hmm.
okay. Have we got some time?
Uh,
Oh, we have not got a lot of time. I have some 7 minutes. Is it okay, Rakesh, if I give you some feedback?
I think we can discuss about more topic, one or two topic, then later we will discuss about feedback. And if you want to give feedback, no problem. We can go with the feedback, and later on we will
So
discuss. Yes.
generally, do you take feedback like towards the end, like for the last 2-3 minutes? Is
Yes.
that
Yes.
so?
Yes. Yes. But no problem, because already you told me it has been 11 minutes. So we can discuss our feedback, my feedback, and I think feedback is very, very important to upgrade and to improve, to go ahead. So I can understand its importance, and we can go with the feedback right now. Yes.
Actually, I'm running out of battery. So, and I also
No
don't have
problem.
electricity.
Okay, okay.
Plus,
Please go with the
I
feedback.
usually, yes, I
Sorry?
usually take 7 to 8 minutes.
Hmm?
Always. I always take 7 minutes to give my
For feedback.
feedback.
Okay, then
Yes.
please go on. Yes, please go on. I think initially I did, I was not aware, so that is why. And you later means previously you told me, so I can understand your concern, and we can go with the feedback. Yes.
Okay. So first thing that's very evident in your speech, Rakesh, it is the fillers.
Hmm,
You
hmm, hmm.
probably search in your mind for the words that you want to bring into the context,
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
right?
Yeah,
And
vocabulary is
so
problem.
basically, it's not the
Problem.
problem of vocabulary, Rakesh. You have good set of words.
Hmm, hmm,
You
hmm,
speak good words. The
hmm.
problem is that you are speaking faster with respect to thinking.
Okay.
Okay? You are not able to recall the words at the pace that which you are using to speak.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
Are you able to understand me? So at
I,
this point,
hmm,
yes.
hmm.
At
Yes,
this
please.
point, either you can choose either of the options.
Hmm,
Maybe you
hmm.
can take 10-second pauses to build the content in your mind, frame the
Hmm.
sentence, and speak in 2 to 3 sentences for now
Okay,
until
okay.
you can bridge the gap.
Hmm,
Or you can do is whenever you are about to use a filler, just
hmm,
stop altogether, start afresh.
hmm,
Because you have to consciously tell yourself to stop using fillers, otherwise, that will remain a major part of your speech.
hmm, 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 hmm.
Okay?
Yeah.
Moving ahead, there are few issues with your parts of speech.
So, ma'am, can I know about fillers? Like, what kind of fillers I use? Like,
Uh,
or
uh,
any word
mm,
use I just use like few Hindi words they speak, but I don't use Hindi word. But I take
yes.
pause. I don't know what. Hmm,
You use fillers like, you use fillers like
hmm,
is a
hmm.
major sound. Other
Okay.
than that, you use words like this, like.
Hmm,
Whenever you have to
hmm,
say something, you will you will make an extra sentence to explain it. When
hmm,
already
hmm,
the first sentence was enough.
hmm, hmm.
So you have to
Okay.
remember that whenever you are using words extra to think, to compensate for the time that you are taking to think of the words, those are
Hmm,
fillers.
hmm. Okay.
Okay. Secondly, you said, I just booked a session and then I continue. We were talking about your tendency to book a session whenever you have a free time,
Hmm, hmm,
right? But you said, I just booked a session. It should
hmm.
be in simple present tense because that's your habit. You book a
Okay.
session whenever you have a free time.
Hmm,
So you
hmm, hmm.
cannot possibly use the past tense verb.
Okay. Habit is in
These are
present.
very minor.
Hmm, hmm.
Yes, yes.
I can
You
understand this. Yes.
also said, yes.
Hmm,
A couple of things that you said, remove hesitation. You upload videos to help people remove their hesitation. One sentence. And
hmm,
second, you said that your timing is not set,
hmm, 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 hmm.
right?
Yeah.
For your timing, you can say, my timing is not fixed,
Hmm, hmm. Thank you.
right?
Hmm, yeah.
Set means a lot of things.
Hmm.
Set is the only word in English language to have n number of meanings.
Okay.
Is the only word with a lot of meaning. Like no other word has that many meanings as the word set. So
Okay.
it's
Okay.
better to use a word that has more definite meaning, like fixed.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Second, you said remove hesitation. You can replace the word remove with get rid of hesitation,
Yeah, very important point. Yes. Get rid or
right?
overcome. Overcome.
Overcome. Correct.
I knew, but
You can
at the
you,
when I was speaking, I could not get. Yes.
it's okay. That's what I'm saying. You know the words. Vocabulary is not the issue. The problem is you're not able to recall it fast enough,
Mm-hmm.
right? So the
Mm-hmm.
only way you can do better at it is either by reading or by continuously using those words consciously in your sentences,
Okay.
right? Second, you said before this organization, I lived with my family or I lived in another city, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is an
Very.
incomplete sentence. You
Mm-hmm.
should have said before joining this organization,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yes.
If you skip out on words, the meaning would change.
Yes. Yes.
Are you able to get me?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
See, we are already done with time.
Mm.
You also said, I am not sure with my statement. We were
Yes.
talking
Yes.
about Electronic City and Bangalore, right?
Mm-hmm.
With for this type of sentences, we use I am not sure of. I
Sure
am
of.
not sure of this. I'm sure of that. I'm not sure of you. I'm not sure of myself. We
Mm-hmm.
always use preposition of with sure.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
I'm not sure of my decision.
Mm.
Okay.
We
These
can't
are
use
some
with.
basic things that
Mm-hmm. I
no,
can't
we
use
cannot
with.
use with.
Instead of that, I have to use of. So there was a
Correct.
preposition mistake. Okay.
Yes, that was a
Understood.
preposition mistake. So
Mm.
there are some issues, however, they are very minor. You don't have to
Mm-hmm.
put extra focus to it.
Mm-hmm.
However, if you remain a little more cautious, you can avoid all these issues.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Otherwise, you are a great speaker, very clear pronunciation. I'm able to understand whatever you're